Kompas London recently completed a construction project in Epping Forest, focusing on delivering practical and high-quality living solutions. This project involved adding extensions and converting the loft with dormers to increase the living space and improve the home's functionality. Our team at Kompas London handled every aspect of the planning, design, and construction process, ensuring every detail was covered to meet our high standards for quality and finish. We pride ourselves on our hands-on approach and the ability to meet our clients' needs effectively. By staying committed to our principles of attention to detail and impeccable craftsmanship, we've successfully completed this project, much to the satisfaction of the homeowner. Our goal was to provide a seamless service from start to finish, and we're happy to report we achieved that, adding another satisfied client to our portfolio. For all your architectural, planning, and construction needs, Kompas London is just a call away. Let's get your project started.